Hello everyone, welcome to Maths IEC. This is GCSE Maths Exam Sprint series. This question is very similar to some of the questions that we've seen in the recent years in GCSE Maths papers. Please pause the video and give this a try. When you're ready to check the answer, continue the video. Let's see how to do this. ABC is a right angle triangle and angle CAB is 90 degrees. Okay, so that's very clear. Let's mark that. DE is parallel to AB. Okay, DE and AB are parallel. The area of triangle CDE is 9 square centimeters. Let's mark this one here. 9 centimeter squared. The area of triangle ADE, this one here, is 18 centimeter squared. Now, let's see what we can understand from these two areas. Now, the green triangle and the yellow triangle, they both have the same base, DE. But I can clearly see the area of the yellow triangle is twice as much as the area of the green triangle. Now remember guys, the formula for finding the area of a triangle is base times height, perpendicular height, divided by 2. Now, if they both have the same base, which is this one, but the area of the yellow one is twice, obviously that's because the height of the yellow one is twice as much. So I can tell if this is H, this one must be 2H. Or I can say it's in 1:2 ratio. That's the only way that this can have twice the area having the same base. Now, to understand this question in an easier way, I'm drawing the triangle CDE, which has an area of 9 centimeters squared and the height is H. And this is CAB, the big one. And the height here is now 2H, add H, that is 3H. Now I can clearly see between these two, the linear scale factor is 3. So remember, the area scale factor is linear scale factor squared. So obviously the area scale factor should be 9. 3 squared, 9. Now, where do we get that? Because this one is H, this one is 3H. So obviously you have to multiply it by 3. So the linear scale factor is 3. But area scale factor is linear scale factor squared. So the linear scale factor is 3 and the area scale factor is now 9. So we know the area of this large triangle here must be 9 times larger than the small one. So the small one is 9 multiplied by 9. So that will be 81 centimeter squared. Now what's really the question here? The question is the area of the triangle ABE. ABE is this white triangle here. Oh, that's actually quite easy now because we know the whole thing is 81. And I know these two bits are 9 and 18. If I just take away those two from that, I get 54 centimeters squared, which is the area of ABE.